Ravinder, tell us more about the worsening crisis and also this fire in Gujarat.
Well, it's quite unfortunate, and all along the pandemic, we have seen such incidents, whether it's Gujarat, whether it's Maharashtra and other places. There have been these instances of fire, and that is because a lot of time these hospitals are not equipped to cater to so many patients, and their electricity circuits are not so well maintained, and that's supposedly one of the reasons that the administration is citing in Gujarat, that could be short circuit, could be one of the reasons for this fire break that happened last night, which also killed around 18 people. The government has announced 400,000 rupees compensation for each family. The rest of the patients, about 50 of them who were rescued by people and the fire brigade personnel, have been shifted to nearby hospitals, and these instances are happening on a regular basis all along, as I mentioned. As far as the cases are concerned, the surge is continuing. Even if we look at Delhi, which is under about going to be 2-week lockdown, but still we have had above 27,000 cases in the last 24 hours. So there is no respite in terms of the cases, and there's no respite in terms of getting hospital beds or oxygen supply in hospitals, and people are still running from pillar to post to just get their patients admitted or get them the right kind of treatment. Pandang.
Ravinder, how about vaccination? On Friday, you mentioned there's a shortage in doses nearly all around the country. Any measures have been put in place to ease that situation?
Well, today was the first day when the people who are above the age of 18 are allowed to be vaccinated. They have registered, over 10 million people have registered themselves to get vaccinated. The vaccination program was supposed to start today, the latest phase. But unfortunately, yesterday we heard from a number of states across the country saying that they do not have enough doses to start this vaccination program for people above the age of 18. While for the people above the age of 45, the central government is sponsoring the jabs for them. That program is still continuing. But as far as the even Chief Minister of Delhi came out yesterday and appealed to the people above age of 18 not to come and queue outside these vaccination centers because there are no doses to be given to them. So that is the situation. Only 2.7% of the population has been vaccinated with 2 doses so far. So that is the program, which started with a big bang, actually has not picked up. It's quite delayed, and now the manufacturers are also trying to ramp up their manufacturing, but at the same time the experts are saying that it's time that more vaccine candidates are brought in, more vaccine choices should be given to the people so that people can go ahead and get themselves vaccinated, because that is the only way to control the kind of surge that we are having in our country. Pandang.
Thank you very much and take care. Our correspondent Ravinder Bawa in Delhi.